guys, welcome back to another video. And today, the new update has dropped. This is going to be a quick video, but I'm going to review everything. This is my first look at everything. So I'm going to go into the trucks. Alright, so here's the S10. This is members only. Okay. Yo, let's go do the big lugging truck. Okay, this will be, you gotta wait 6 days if you're not a member. We got the new Ford Raptor. This is S10, I think. We got the Ram, and that's about it for this. No new limited edition trucks. Let's check the trailers. Look at it. Okay, so here's the logging trailer. Another logging trailer. Tractor, rocks, crates. Checking, see if there's, okay, it's none of these other ones. Okay, I'm just checking. So, since right now, the only truck I can buy right now is this one. Let's buy it and build it. Let's build something with it. Max everything out. Let's check out customizations. Alright, you can make this dually. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna build, but we're gonna do something. Oh wait, they dropped the prices of this from 5,000 to 3,000. Here, I'm gonna build a trophy. I mean, not a trophy truck. A rock crawling style truck of this. Good for now. Alright. Okay, that'd be good. Rocks tire size. That'll just be about the same. Let's put on these rock tires. And these rims. And let's change the paint color. Oh, that blue looks nice. Let's do this blue. Alright, let's also buy. I wonder if this logging trailer can be used with this truck. So let's use this. Let's go to the woodlands and see what there is. Freaking. Okay, so you can use this trailer on any truck. Okay, so you can mark places on the map now. So, I don't know if there is jobs on this map. Yo, okay. This trailer is so sick. This is so sick. Okay. So, right now it doesn't look like it. I'm gonna go to I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna try to find something. Alright guys, so I went ahead and bought this Ram, the logging truck, and new Raptor. So there also is new graphics settings. Like the FPS on saves battery. This one, don't know what exactly it does, but it looks like it does shading. And then, yeah. Okay, so now, I'm gonna do this truck, customize it. I'm gonna make this one diesel. Let's do independent suspension. Throw trophy truck suspension. All-wheel drive, option 1, yeah. Alright. Wait a minute. Okay. Wheels and tires will just stay the same. Let's do the mudding tires. Rims. Let's do these rims with. Let's do chrome black. Alright. Let's customize it. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep stock bumper on. Okay, you can do dually with this truck, okay. I'm gonna most likely keep stock for most things. But we're gonna put this on lights. So the spare tire goes on top there. Okay, okay. I don't really like that. I'll throw that on. We'll do that. And then white lights. You can put a toolbox there. Alright, I'm out. Let's do a screen. Alright, and also, let's do this one a while. We're gonna make that diesel. Okay, so we can tune the suspension. Oh my god. Yo. Okay. Cannot really adjust that. Does that do that in the rear also? No, in the rear it doesn't do that. Okay, but we're just gonna keep that normal. Let's do about 45. Can we change the suspension? No. And we'll keep just stock tire size. Okay, so we can't really add much for customizations. Paint, let's do green. We'll keep it green, like camo. I'm just gonna keep those on. Okay, and then let's go to here. So, okay, so it doesn't look like you can use trailers with this truck, which kind of sad, which sucks. It's a pretty cool truck. I like it. It's really heavy. It's top heavy, so you can easily flip it over. So gotta be careful with that. So I'm wondering how you control this, but that'll be it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.